Heating up. Base 5160 round stock. Gonna try to put a couple videos of me forging it up. I don't know how well it's gonna work, but see you soon enough. Right now I'm starting the taper that will eventually become the tip of the knife. Just establishing it now. It's going to take a little bit of time. It's a pretty tough material I'm working with right now. Back in the fire. And another thing is, with the high carbon steel that you work with for making tools and knives, things like that, you can't work it too cold or else you start forming stress fractures in it, and then whenever you get a heat treat it'll turn into really big cracks and cause lots of structural issues with your material. So you gotta make sure it's hot the whole time. Alright everyone, update on the knife. Got the tip and everything all forged how it needs to be started right now, and started working on the rough profile of the blade, and I also started working on a straight razor while I'm working on the knife at the same time. So I got the majority of the blade for the straight razor all done. So just continuing profile forging. That's it so far. This is the profile for the knife that I'm working on. Basically starting to get the right dimensions and everything in it. Straight razor is almost where it needs to be for the most part. Right now, I can start working on the neck of it a little bit more. The transition of where the handle meets the blade. This is the first time I've tried making a straight razor, so I'm not sure how well this is going to turn out or how well it'll work, but we'll find out. That's how far we're getting on everything, so I'll update you guys once it's all done. Alright, well, I got most of the straight razor all done. Almost done with the handle portion of it. I'm going to use this hot cut hardy tool. It goes in the hardy hole of the anvil. Cut off the excess material so I can finish tapering out the handle for that. I'm working on the neck of the knife, or yeah, the start of the handle anyway. So right now I'll get the straight razor out of the fire. Get that going. Greatest hardy tool. Oops, there's some drop forging today, but it's one of the first tools I ever made. So it gets the job done. Here eventually I want to make a new one. Let's see. And I'm just going to taper this out a bit more, probably put a scroll on the end going upwards. Get it out. Pull it right out like that. Grab the other tongs. This was the first knife I made with blacksmith style handle. I already got the blade on that one forged out like this. And all I gotta do is draw out the whole tail here for the squirrel tail handle, put a scroll on the end of it. I'm gonna put a twist in it too like this one, but they seem to be pretty popular anymore right now, so that's good for me. Alright, that's it for right now. I'll put up another video later, maybe. Alright, well, everybody, we're getting pretty close to knife being finished. I'm in the process of heat treating it right now, so that way it's all fully hardened. And then all I'd have to do is temper it and do some finished grinding. I got the straight razor all finished. It's already hardened. How you know it's hardened is whenever you take a file across it and it just kind of scaves off of it, doesn't dig in. So this is as hard as it can get. If I drop it right now on the ground, it might actually crack or break because of how hard it is. Like, it's brittle like glass. Right now, I'm finishing up the normalizing of the blade, heating it up and let it cool down slowly, so that way it's gonna be all the stress that's in it from forging gets released. And then for that I gotta preheat the oil, which you'll see me do, and then harden the blade. Basically that's about it. Now let's get started. Lay you right there for a moment. This is the oil. It's not motor oil, that's very bad. You should never try that. Set these down this bit. I'm going to preheat the oil by quenching a piece of steel I have. That's got oil preheated to about 300-400 degrees. Now what I gotta do now is turn the forge down a tad bit. Then give the blade nice even heat. You want to get it to above magnetic, to where the point is so hot magnets don't stick to it anymore. This is what most crucial part of the entire forging process. Everything can go wrong. You can have anything from a warp to a crack, like completely just breaking in half. Got my little magnet here. Check it. It doesn't stick. Now we give it a little bit more heat. Alright, now we punch it. Fully submerge it, give it about 9 to 10 seconds before you take it out. Move it. Go straighten this, relatively straight, and see if it got hard. Go to the file test. Hardened. So all that's left now is to temper it and shut down the forge.